I don't know what's happened. It used to be I would get like 1,000 emails. We've got your parcel. Your parcel's in the country. It's in the country. It's in the area. We're going to and not AliExpress. They give you their stuff. They send you as well. You get emails off them, but it's actually not too bad, apart from the dildos. But the local one, like Yondle or whatever they're called, there's a couple of different ones. They just send you an email the day or the day before they get the package, just to warn you they're coming around, so you can be there. They don't bother anymore. Fuck it. The only hint I got today, I was getting a package when I smelt the guy's perfume. So, not sure what I've got. I'm not sure what the hell this is. Glasses might help. Oh, that's one of my fitness things. Nothing to do with fitness. Oh, that's... did I order the belt? I thought I got the armband. I'm sure I ordered... yeah, armband. Yeah, well, armband, leg band things. These things are muscle stimulators. They are meant to be rechargeable. I'm not sure. See, the only difference between the arm and the leg ones is the strap's a bit longer for the leg ones. So I think I got the leg ones. I'm not 100% sure. Although that only just fits around my bicep. The reason I got them is not for muscle stimulation as such, per se. It's for my legs. It's because of the damage I've got to my leg with the metalwork. If I'm sitting still for more than 2-3 minutes, then the metal seems to fuse to my kneecap. Well, that's how it feels. Right. Okay, it just goes around my knee. There's no way how it's good. I'm pretty sure I got the leg ones. So how do these things work then? These things always come a little bit charged because lithium batteries have to have a charge in them. Otherwise, the batteries die. That's why they always come a little bit charged. Right. Let's have a look. Okay, we have power on that one. But I should always read the instructions. Let's just put it on the other one of my leg. Because the idea is to use muscle stimulation on either side of my kneecap, hopefully. Oh, it's a pain to get on. You would think it would be easy to get on, but then I'm wearing it whilst I'm trying to put the thing on. Right. I mean, they always send you a bit of gel. Okay, it's an empty bottle. So I can just put some liquid in there. So it makes it more conductive. That is, I might have to extend the belt. Ooh, ow, I can feel it. Okay, that's working. I can feel it. Got to bear in mind, oh, yeah, that's nice. It's got a tens setting on it as well, which is like a but it's not a massive feeling at the moment because my leg's dry. If you have more moisture on your leg, it conducts electricity, the pulse is better. Yeah, that should be very nice. It just fits on my leg. It's a little bit tight, but I can extend that easily enough. Just a bit of Velcro. So all I'm going to be doing with this is using it to keep the muscle on my leg flexing to stop my leg from seizing up. Because right now, because of the metalwork issues I've got, how do you turn it off? Because it's upside down so I can't see. Right, so that works. How well it works, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to first see charging points on it. I'm assuming it's got a charging point somewhere. Because I don't buy things that require batteries anymore. Only things that are rechargeable. So somewhere, where's the other one then? God, I lost it already. There we go. So somewhere in here there's got to be a, there you go. got a charging slot. So, is there no charger? Well, that makes a change. Normally you get a charger with everything. But safe to say I've got plenty of chargers around. That looks like a micro USB. I'm not sure. Give me a sec and I'll have a look. Okay, I had a quick look. My USB-C does not fit. So I'm going to guess that's a micro USB. It looks like a micro, which I've got one somewhere. I'll have a look. Give me a sec. Okay, yeah, it's a micro USB. It's the smaller of the ones you plug in. So that's now charging. I've only got the one cable, so I'm going to have to do charge one at a time. But I only need one at a time. It's not for my muscles. It's basically because of the damage I got to my leg. Because the metal work, if I'm sitting still, it actually seems to fuse to my kneecap. But by having that muscle stimulation, that should stop the knee from seizing up. Yes, I could walk around, but I can't walk around continuously 24 hours a day. So that is my thing today. Muscle stimulation belts. 2 of them. Can't remember how much they were, but you get ones that look pretty much identical. Some of them are 50p, but 10 quid delivery. Some of them are 100 quid. But I remember when these things were £175 each. For the, it's called an EMS system. Electro muscle stimulator or something. But you go back just 15 years. These things would have cost you at least 50 quid 10, 15 years ago. And now you can pick them up for a tenner. I will check and put it on screen how much. Okay, as it is designed as a muscle stimulator, all I've done, I've put a little bit of moisture on my bicep, just a little bit of moisture. This is the one that was pre-charged, so I haven't had, it's not got a fresh charge. So push the button once, plus nothing. Power 0. Press it again. Mother. Fuck. Yep, that works. I'm going to have to read the instructions on this. I'm not tensing at all. Yeah, I think that's the tens setting, where you get dig 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 dig. It's like an epileptic woman going down on you. And that's on the lowest power setting. Oh yeah. That's on level 9. I don't know how high up it goes. Nah. You do not want to have a drink in your hand when you're doing this. 12. 16. I'm scared. Jesus. If you try and clench your hand, it makes it so much more intense. How high up does this go? Don't turn it up. Don't. No. You. Oh. That's quite nice, actually. I'm actually getting shoulder ache holding my arm up. Okay. 21. Oh, crap. Oh, it works. That fucking bastard. That works. I'm not seeing how high up it goes. Oh. Okay, that worked. How much was for the belt? Actually, I can't use the belt one for the belly, simply because I've got rectus hernias, which might sound like a porn, but it's not. It's where you got damage to your stomach lining, to the muscle wall. So I can't use that sort of stuff on there. But yeah, that worked. Fucking hell, that works. Yeah, right. I didn't buy it for my biceps. I bought it for my leg. So yeah, that's the latest toy. An EMS muscle stimulator belt. Because on the back, the actual stimulation is done by these 2 pads here. You can see it on the black. See the blackie? Black. That's the actual muscle stimulating stuff. Yeah, I like that. I do like that. So it's nice, simple, basic technology, and it's been around for, well, let's put it this way. Bruce Lee advertised it back in the 1960s. I think it was 1960s. He actually advertised it because he's given a free kit, like mains operated. And he used to brag about how good it is. Safe doing press ups and sit ups. So it's been around for half a century of technology. And yeah, good little thing. Okie dokie, these are the instructions. Switch it on, keep going. Um, Basically, it has three buttons. Yeah, you've got you press the plus button that turns it on. Middle button is your mode. And there are, how many modes? 10 modes? There's 10 different modes. So you've got your description of the 10 modes here. It's phases of electrocution, basically. And it's really nice. I've got it on the first one at the moment, which is automatic, suitable for comprehensive exercise. And I'm using it right on the top of the metalwork. I've got metalwork going from down here up to my kneecap, and it's actually hitting my kneecap, and it feels like it's merging to it, which is where if I'm stationary for more than 2 or 3 minutes, it actually seizes up completely. This is brilliant. It's on level 22 power supply. The power supply goes up to 39. If it starts to feel too weak, try adding moisture because that makes a big difference. But that is, it's a nice like it's not doing my muscles, but it's helping to loosen up the muscles and tendons and nerves where the metalwork is actually there, top of it. So that is really, really making a big difference. This is the bicep. I think it's the arm one I got, the bicep one. But it just about, I got big legs, I got biker's legs. Even though I've been inactive for 5 months, I've still got pretty big calf muscles. So I think it's another £2 for the leg size ones, which are a few inches bigger. You can lengthen them, just get a bit of cloth, you can lengthen it easily enough. So this piece is what's got to be in contact with your body. That bit you can, a bit of string to lengthen it. But yeah, that's really, really good. It was fully charged within about 40 minutes from nearly dead. So they charge up pretty quick. And yeah, that's a very effective thing. But I had a quick play through the different modes. It's different stages of electrocution, basically. But yeah, that is looking right now at getting, they're £12, roughly £12. You get dozens of different things. They're all exactly the same. Some say they're cheaper, but they'll charge you more for delivery. Some charge more for delivery, they'll be cheaper. They work out about £12 for the two. Now, I am very, very tempted. I'm going to give it a few days first, but there's a good chance I'm going to go and get myself another set because it is very relaxing. I'm tempted to get the stomach one, not for my stomach. I might get it so I can use it for my back because I get, because of a crash, a lot of like spasms in my back, my spine. So if I get the stomach one and wear it on my back, it should do the same job. It's just from muscle relaxation to do the nerves and tendons. So yeah, that is a very nice little thing. And it's working wonderfully. EMS, muscle stimulator, which is why my camera's kind of jumping around a little bit. I use it for damage to my joints and my legs. You can, however, get some, like this one, which is for your pelvic floor, to give you a tighter, more toned vagina.